Hi, my name is Rachel and I'm a nutritionist, and today I'm going to show you guys how to put together a balanced meal. When you are putting together a balanced meal, you want to make sure that all of your meals have a source of protein, fat, carbs, and fiber, and that's pretty much the basis for any meal that I put together. Other than that, you can get creative, add things, but you want to make sure that you always have those macronutrients in all of your meals. So what that looks like is you want to make sure first that you're choosing a protein either for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. So some sources of a healthy protein are eggs, soy, chicken, beef, fish. Those are just some ideas of proteins that you can choose from. You can also choose from beans, protein powder. Those are some really good options. And then you're gonna go ahead and choose your healthy fat. So some options for fats are avocado, olive oil, olives, nuts, a nut butter, tahini, good quality dairy. Those are some amazing options for your fat. So you're gonna go ahead and choose one from those. And then for carbs, you wanna make sure that you're choosing complex carbs. So what that looks like is quinoa, brown rice, toast, whole grain toast, sweet potatoes, potatoes. Those are just some options of healthy carbs that you can choose from when you're putting together your meal. And then fiber comes usually from fruits or veggies. So you can have just fruits, just veggies. You can have both of them in your meals. So any fruit, any veggie is perfect. And then there you go, you have your balanced meal. And what that can look like for breakfast is eggs with some sliced avocado and some baked sweet potatoes. That's just an option. Or for lunch, that can look like grilled chicken with some asparagus and brown rice. Or for dinner, that can look like a salad with a bunch of veggies and greens, and then some grilled chicken, some olives, and some olive oil on the top. And there you go, you have your balanced meal. So these are just some examples. Feel free to get creative with it, but whenever you're sitting down to plan your next meal, just make sure that you have a healthy protein, a healthy fat, a healthy complex carb, and some fiber, and you should be good to go. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that this made putting together a nourishing meal a little bit more simple and easy, and now you have a better understanding of how to put together each of your meals when you're sitting down for dinner time or breakfast time or lunch time. And if you want more ideas for healthy, nourishing meals, or you just want to learn more about nutrition and nourishing your body in general, feel free to check out my website, thefullifebyrachel.com, or my podcast, The Full Life by Rachel podcast. Thank you. I'll see you guys soon.
Welcome to Yoga Plus. Courses available from pupil to yogi. Sort by yoga, fitness, and instructors. Create your own routines. Access the Pose Library. Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth, available on Google Play and the App Store.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts.